Congratulations on your admission at UP. Before you will be able to register, a contract needs to be concluded between you and the University of Pretoria. You must access and complete the contract on the UP Student Centre. If you are not sure how to do that, please watch our video on accessing the UP portal to locate the UP Student Centre. You can find the link to the video accessing the UP portal video in the description. Let's complete your contract. Log into the UP portal at www.up.ac.za. Navigate to the Student Centre where you will find the Admissions tile. Now select the Online Contract tab. Completing your online contract. Click on Please read these instructions before completing the contract. Read the instructions and check the box that states that you have read the instruction notes, then click Continue. Complete all the information in the fields as required. The address required to complete the contract must be a physical or residential address. For legal requirements, postal addresses are not accepted. Once completed, click Validate to validate the data you have entered. Please note that once you have clicked Submit, no further changes can be made. If all the required information is correct, then click Submit. After submission, you need to print or view PDF to generate a PDF file of the contract. Print this file, initial and sign it. Also ensure all of the relevant parties have signed. If you are under the age of 18 years, the details of your parent or guardian are required and they are required to co-sign the contract. If you are under the age of 25 years, an undertaking by a surety is required. The surety may be the same person as the parent or guardian of the student. If you are financially independent, you need to check the Financially Independent checkbox. You must furnish proof of sufficient income to settle due and payable fees. If sponsored by a bursar, an undertaking by a surety other than the bursar is still required. Once the printed contract has been initialed and signed by all the parties, you must submit the original contract to the Student Service Centre. You can only submit a hard copy by hand delivery, via post or courier. Take note that emailed, faxed or uploaded contracts are not accepted. The postal address of the Student Service Centre is University of Pretoria, Private Bag X20, Hatfield 0028. The Student Service Centre is located on the Hatfield campus with the physical address Linwood Road, Hatfield, Pretoria 0002. Once your contract has been received, please allow at least 5 working days for your contract to be processed. If there are any problems with your contract, you will have contract-related notifications under your to-do list, which can be found under the UP Student Centre tile. Should you experience any difficulty, please call the UP Student Service Centre at 012-420-3111 or email them at ssc@up.ac.za. Congratulations on securing a study career at UP. We'll help you make the most of your journey with us. You are now ready for takeoff. Fly at UP and graduate on time.